Hi, welcome to BP Galaxy World. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a keycap of Cinnamonroll. This I bought in Amazon. It's made by Pop Key and I bought it in Amazon for about 19 bucks. And these are made for cherry switches. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it. Alright, I think it's really cool. Alright, they made different ones like animes, like Cinnamonroll for the Hello Kitty group, but they make other anime keycaps. And I'm gonna turn it around. The keycap is white color, as you can see, and now I'm gonna move this out. All right, okay, and I'm gonna place it in here. All right, as you can see, it's pretty nice. It fits really well, and I really love because it goes really nice with my keyboard. All right, so I hope that you find this useful, and I'll see you next time.